Now we are tracking new developments in the corruption crackdown in North Providence. The investigations of two newest suspects were in federal court today. Developer Edward Amandi and attorney Edward Cerisi were just indicted last week. This afternoon, the pair was arraigned on charges of conspiracy, extortion, and bribery. Eyewitness News reporter Nneka Nwosu caught up with them outside of court, and she joins us now live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
Well, both Robert Cerisi and Edward Amandi pleaded not guilty to 3 charges. They were released on $50,000 unsecured bond, but the case against them is far from over. Attorney Robert Cerisi. Mr. Amandi, do you have a comment? And developer Edward Amandi were arraigned in federal court Wednesday. Both pleaded not guilty to 1-count conspiracy, 1-count bribery, and 1-count attempted extortion. There was enough evidence to charge him.
Well, I mean, if you're familiar with the grand jury process, neither the lawyer nor the defendant or any of his witnesses can be present at the grand jury proceedings. It's a one-sided affair. So that doesn't tell us an awful lot about what's going on.
The two men are accused of acting as middlemen in alleged corruption schemes by former North Providence town councilors Joseph Birchfield, John Zambrano, and Raymond Douglas III. According to court documents obtained by Eyewitness News, the ex-counselors are accused of accepting roughly $100,000 in bribes and attempting to extort thousands more. The 3 men pleaded not guilty when they were first charged in May. They pleaded not guilty again this week after being named in a new indictment, which also charges Cerisi and Amandi. Now, both Cerisi and Amandi were required to surrender their passports. Their travel is limited to only the state of Rhode Island. They can travel outside of Rhode Island with permission from the judge, and they are expected back in court on or around December 1st for trial. Live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, I'm Nneka Nwosu, Eyewitness News.